Greetings and salutations, the Captain here. Hey, today we're going to go over how to create unique AI music with SUNO. Just a quick overview, SUNO is an AI that offers a user-friendly platform in order to just basically create your own unique music. There are tons and tons of genres that you can go through and choose to create from. You can choose your favorite instruments. The list is endless. You can choose the voice you want it to sing in, what type of voice it is, the language it's in, what connotation it brings. You can choose your own customized lyrics, your own style, everything in between. It is absolutely the best way that I know to make music today for the disabled. Getting into step one, choosing your music genre. There are tons and tons of types of genre out there. In the document I provided here, there's a couple of different genres. That said, it's not all of them. Do yourself a favor and Google Suno AI genre, and you will come up with a list that is endless. Or just hit that explore option on the left hand side. You have an endless number of genres and styles that you can actually create in. If you want a live performance and feel to it, when you're creating it in the category, choose live. Put a live option in there and it will sound immense. Selecting your instruments, like I said in the beginning, there is an endless number of instruments that you can put in there. Anything from pianos, violins, guitars, synthesizers, string instruments, different drums, different types of drums, different cultural drums. It's a truly amazing list, and it's just being added to every single day. And for a variety, you can add so many more. Now, here's where it comes in. If you're not doing an instrumental track and you want singing, adding your own lyrics and the type of voice just makes it cool. I have made tracks, metal tracks with opera singers. I have made folk tracks with reggae singers. The list is endless, and I have made tracks in just about every language that I know how to type. The only one I can't find so far is Klingon. Come on, Suno. We need Klingon. Up ahead, we have Choose Your Vibe. Do you feel groovy today? Do you want to make that that music tropical, mysterious? Do you want to just chill? Do you want that smoke room vibe? Do you want a concert metal rock vibe? There's endless things that you can do. Type it in, try it out. Then personalizing your own lyrics. I don't actually recommend you let Suno generate your own lyrics. Write them. Write them in lyrical format. Put them in there. Remember that Suno only does up to 2 minutes per clip. So if you want to make a full length musical track, make sure to split it up. And then at the very end, hit that create button and watch the magic happen. The magic of AI is so intense right now. There are so many things you can do. Let it generate your song. And if you don't like it, you can go back and have it redo it. You can remix that. You can add a new track to it. You can create a full length song by hitting that extend option. This is just a basic intro on how SUNO AI works. I tell you, it is brilliant. And remember, if you're a pro paid customer of SUNO, you get all the copyrights to that. So you own it. Nobody can take it from you. Nobody can use it without your permission. As for me, I put everything up as Creative Commons. That way it can be shared freely, and I can still make a few bucks off of it. That's it for now. Let's hit that next video here shortly. You're going to see that right over the, right there, up in the top. Yeah, hit that next video, guys. Captain's out.